How cool is that? Beautiful country town, this. Fuck, because he wasn't coming. So I woke up this morning and tired, overtired. I'm not sleeping well these days. Anyway, I've slept in, taking it really easy this morning. So guts honest truth of it all is I feel like shit today. I'm just not having a great day. I just woke up feeling really tired, got a headache. Yeah, just shit. And I actually had reasonable sleep. I just don't think I'm sleeping very well. I've got to go and get this potential sleep apnea checked out because I think that's what I'm suffering from. Because I wake up feeling like I've had no sleep and I have actually slept. So I've got to get that checked out. I'm whinging, but it's a beautiful day. I'm just not feeling it yet. I'm going to soldier on. I was going to just stay in Dubbo for the day, do nothing. The Harley will fix the problem. Let's get some fresh air and ride. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just leaving Dubbo now. About a 4-hour ride straight through, not including stops, so it'll probably take me 6. It's about 370 kilometres, but I've had a very late start and it's nearly 11 o'clock and these roads are shit. So yeah, sorry, no personality at the moment, but just being raw and a bit honest about it all. And that's it, so let's ride. Just pulled up into Nyngan, not narrow mind. There's a few people I know that should be living in that town, main street. I'm about to have an accident, there's no cars. Great, cute little town. Just pulled over here, just outside Nyngan, and it's interesting because I think a lot about, you know, what it would be like to live in some of these country towns, you know, make it your home. I ride, you know, through quite a lot of them, and you know, it's just not fast-paced, stuff like that. You know, I often think how lovely that'd be, and I just don't know if they're beer goggle thoughts or whether people in the towns, you know, they love living there or they don't, or I don't know. I honestly don't know. I think most country people that I've met in my life love where they live. They wouldn't trade it for the world. You know, that's the message I seem to get. Anyway. That was just a bit of a digress. Have a look at this sign, it's where we're going. So Burke's 327 k's. I might stop in Adelaide for lunch. It's 1,223 kilometres away, so yeah, that's pretty doable. If I'm doing 1,000 k an hour, I should be there in an hour and 20 minutes. This looks pretty cool. Look how pretty that is. Love these small roadworks. Look at these two. One's on the cool box, one's got the sign. 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off. just in Trangie. Not much going on here. All grain. These roads are so straight without having been on the Nullarbor plain. Ah! Those road trains. Just straight. Fucking not much going on out here. Yep, never tire. That's where we are. Never tire. Ever heard of that? There's the Never Tire pub. That's about it in Never Tire. 262 k's to go, just up the road. Just pulled my phone out because I thought I'd take a photo. And it's mounted on the bike, so it's got bugs and shit all over. This guy here is actually still alive. It's so fucking gross. It's like, mate, how did you die? I got hit by an iPhone 11. Let's get the shit out of here. Made it to Nyngan and the Great Outback, apparently. Nyngan and the Great Outback. There's trucks and more trucks. So let's see if we can get some lunch and have a coffee in Nyngan. So I made it to the Outback, New South Wales. I'm in a little town called Nyngan. This is the main street of Nyngan. That's Nyngan. I stopped at a cafe and got a coffee, and I had a bacon and cheese pie, which is great, really healthy. And that's it. But I think I'm going to do a U-turn and commence the trek back to Dubbo. Now I made it to the Outback. That was my goal. I wanted to get to Bourke, but it's another 200 odd k's from here. With all the greatest respect to Bourke, I can't see the point. Unless I was carrying on further from there, but just to head out to Bourke and then sort of have to come the same road back in. You know, they're pretty sort of long, straight roads. There's nothing that scenic to sort of catch on to. But anyway, that's enough blabbering. I'm going to hit the road now, head back into Bourke. I'm about roughly 200 k's out of Bourke, so it's 2:30. I plan to be back in Bourke by about 5, check into a motel, and then away we go from there. So that's the plan. At least the weather's been on my side today. Hopefully it'll stay that way. Sun's out, pretty clear sky. And you get into a false illusion during the day because it does warm up. But then as soon as the sun goes down, the party starts. All right, let's hit the road. They got an ex-army helicopter in Nyngan. You can drive 600 k's to come and see that if you want. And an RSL club. And a railway crossing. Found a cool side road. Let's go and check this out. Bit of red dust. Let's go and have a look at some Dubbo Road. Go and check out some red dust. Fun little dirt road. Feels so much better than I did this morning. Apologies for the bleed. The winch. Jeez, I feel like shit when I got this morning. So hopefully I'll sleep a bit better tonight. And that's it. Just love being out here on the open road. No cars. Beautiful blue sky. Doesn't get any better. It really doesn't. Doesn't get any better. Paid $120 last night. This one was $89. This one comes with 2 butlers, this room. Shut up, birds.
This could be some pretty cool footage.
I just chased a freight train with my drone. Gotta love Australia. How awesome's that? Now, I wish this fucker would get out of my way.